Welcome to Einhell. My name is Elke and this is our new Power Exchange Professional Belt Sander. So it's Power Exchange. That is pretty cool because without cable life is ways easier. Belt sanders are mainly used for big projects. So you have a table, you have doors to sand, maybe even stairs, something like that. So you can use that. You have these sanding belts for this. This device comes with 3 sanding belts P80, so the rough ones. You can also use fine ones for sure. The dimensions for the sanding paper is 457 by 75, easy to adjust. Let's have a look at the features of this wonderful product. First of all, it is a handheld tool, so you can go around sanding. Here's a button for a permanent running setting. Pull the trigger, push the button, and then this machine is a permanent working, ideal also for stationary application. This one has an electronic speed setting that is very handy for best results. It goes from 120 up to 250 rounds per minute. Changing or mounting belts is very easy. Pull the trigger over here, turn the device around to say upside down, and then you have easy access to the belt. Putting that on again or changing that to another one is always using the middle of that roll, having a look if that looks good and fix it, and then you are good. And in this position, ideal is also the fixation on the table. Very easy. We have 2 fixation points. One is over here and the other one is inside here. I don't know if you can see that. Going into that with the clamp. So, and right now you do have a stationary tool. Put in the battery. Bam. So now we are ready to go. You can pull that permanent trigger over here. Press the button. That's it. So overall, it's a handheld tool for all applications with regards to big projects and sanding. There are situations where you don't need this belt directly in the middle of the machine, but more outside, for example, sanding stairs. So if you need it, for example, more outside, you can do that with that leveling wheel over here. Very easy. Benchmark time for our new Power Exchange brushless belt sander over here. For the benchmark, we took the REG model, also 18 volt, right here. What we can say overall is that this REG model is a little bit faster regarding the rounds per minute, but this one is way more heavier, as we can see over here. And the special thing, especially to me, is we can put ours upside down to have a half stationary tool, which is not possible with REG because this is not made and designed for that. So this is, from my point of view, a clear advantage for ours. The next clear advantage is the price. We are way more attractive by pricing in comparison to REG. And we do have way more products for our Power Exchange battery. Especially while sanding rough materials, sometimes we need pressure on the machine. And as we can see over here, if we put pressure on ours in comparison to REG, we can really go above 500 Newton by pressure and the machine does not stop. REG is stopping immediately above 150 Newton. So pressurized work, rough work is easier and faster to do with our belt sander. And due to the fact that we can put more pressure on our machine in comparison to the REG ones, we are faster in working.